Let me ask you something. Have you ever won the argument but lost the connection? You got the last word in. You felt justified. But after that moment, things just felt worse. The energy shifted, the tension stayed. That's what happens when your goal is to win the moment instead of heal the relationship. I'm Dr. Turpo, your marriage and relationship coach. I help couples stop fighting and start communicating powerfully, clearly, and with purpose. And today I want to help you understand why chasing that last word might be the very thing that breaks down your connection. Let's be real. Getting the last word feels good. It feels like you're right, like you've proven your point, like you won. But here's the truth. That need to have the final say is almost always driven by ego, not love, not respect, not a desire to understand. And in relationships, ego is expensive. When you always push for the last word, you're not closing the conversation. You're reopening the wound. You're making your partner feel dismissed, unseen, or even attacked. What starts as a small disagreement can spiral into a full-blown argument. Not because of the issue, but because no one wanted to let go and just say, let's pause, let's come back to this. You don't build trust that way. You don't build intimacy that way. You build walls. So, what should you do instead? Number one, pause before you respond. Don't react. Reflect. Use I statements. Say, I feel hurt instead of you never listen. Lower your tone. Raise your message. A calm voice gets heard. A loud one gets tuned out. And close with care. Say, let's come back to this when we're both calmer, instead of going for the knockout line. Let the relationship win. That's the only win that actually matters. So, getting the last word, it kind of feels like power, doesn't it? But if it costs your connection, it's not power. It's poison. The real win is when both of you walk away feeling heard, respected, and closer than before. So let go of the need to be right. Let go of the mic drop. Let go of the drama. Start choosing peace over pride. If this hit home, drop a comment and tell me about a time you learned this lesson the hard way. I'd love to hear from you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about. And if you're really ready to transform how you communicate in your relationship, call me at 678-522-6548. Let's work together. Let's fix it. Let's grow. That's what I do.